beginning December 5th, 2021.
Oh, Ma! Scrooge! Molly! My old business associate, you will be visited by 3 spirits to remind thee of the beauty of life. 3 spirits? Learn! To have a dinner party tonight. Okay? Bah! Humbug! I am the ghost of Christmas past, come to invite you to a luxurious Christmas dinner steeped in history and tradition. Luxurious. Remember? The golden days of Christmas past. Oh, remember. I would like to invite you, Scrooge, to Christmas present. You know, things are changing in the world, what with the pandemic and everything. And also, not everybody eats meat. Christmas present. Is that New York? What will happen in the future. Me. By God, I still have a chance. What day is it, boy?
Why, it's Christmas Day, sir.
Why, take this money. Buy the finest comestibles. It's time to watch Dinner Party Tonight.
Thank you, sir.
Dinner Party Tonight brings you 3 full Christmas dinners and a few surprises.
I will honor Christmas all the year and try to keep it in my heart. I will live in past, present, and future, and strive to keep all 3 within me, said the actress to the bishop. My chains!